you can pull up the stock chart of Sotheby's, this auction house I just talked to you about. This stock chart, to me, is a bubble indicator. And I've written articles about why it is, but just look at this for a second. It's a flat line, and it has blips up like a seismograph might have. First blip, October '89. Second blip, April '99. Third one, May '07. Then 11. Or sorry, October '07 and then May '11. When I go back and I look at what was happening in art markets during each of these peaks, October 1989, world record art prices set by Japanese buyers. 3 months later, the Nikkei peaked. It hasn't gone anywhere near that level since. 99, world record art prices set by executives from really the TMT space. So it was technology, media, and telecom. Less internet at that point, more software, but nonetheless, TMT buyers. 2007, world record art prices set by beneficiaries of easy money. So this was hedge fund billionaires, Russian oligarchs, private equity billionaires, etc. Stock comes back down. 2011, stock price hits a new high. This time, as you know from the stories I've been sharing with you, Chinese buyers setting world record prices. Concerning? I'm just sharing a data point. These are dots. We're going to connect them. I'm not sure what they say, but let's try to paint the mosaic. Now, very interesting is, look at what's happened very recently. It's gone back up. What is that saying? I don't know. It hasn't gone over the edge yet. Maybe it's going to keep rising. But what I can tell you is right now, when I look at art markets, I hear about world record prices set by Qataris and other Middle Eastern commodity wealth-oriented individuals. Huh. Worth paying attention to. I don't know what it says. But what I do know is generally people that buy art, someone who pays $100 million for a painting probably has more than $100 million. Probably. Not always, but probably. They're usually a corporate or economic leader in their society. And as such, it's not surprising that if you look at a chart of corporate M&A activity, you see a similar pattern. Same year. Why? Because that CEO that has confidence in his corporate life is hitting the gas on corporate M&A. And if he has confidence in what he sees from his corporate position, he will happily bid aggressively in personal art. So it has to do with seeing through a personal bidding activity a corporate leader's confidence level. And so this is a leading indicator of leading indicators of confidence. All right, here's another fun multi-lens indicator. The world's tallest skyscrapers. 1929, three buildings competed for the world's tallest tower. 40 Wall Street, the Chrysler Building, and the Empire State Building. And then you had the Great Depression. 73 and 74, you had the Sears Tower and the World Trade Center, followed by a decade of stagflation. 1997, the world's tallest tower status moved to Kuala Lumpur with the Petronas Towers in 1997. Basically, ground zero of the Asian financial crisis. 1999, we started building, didn't complete till '02 because of some construction problems, Taipei 101. Taipei 101 was built in the home of the hardware boom in terms of the technology bubble. And then lastly, here on this picture in the lower right is the Burj Dubai, renamed the Burj Khalifa because it had to get bailed out. We've already talked about Dubai and overbuilding, but this is a particular example of what I think is massive hubris.